Hello there, YouTube. Escargady coming back at you from another long break. It's been a tough summer, and I never stopped watching YouTube and try to participate to the community in the chat section and with the giveaways and all. And this one is actually an giveaway win unboxing from the Labs Comic Fan. Check this out. Check out the package, the size of this huge, massive Batman package. But before we get to that, next Monday, the 26th, is my birthday. And this morning, a very close friend of mine from the neighborhood stopped by, and I got my first gift, my first birthday gift, and I didn't unbox it while she was here. It's a bag. It's a Eastpak bag, backpack. And she ordered this. It was sold out in our country, and she ordered this. And I have never ever seen a beautiful bag as this one. Just check it out. It's the Smile series, and it got all these, things over there, and I really love this bag. I was trying to get this bag. We were talking with her. She's an angel. I know her for like 10 years and more than 10 years, minimum 10 years. And this is such a beautiful bag. Just look at these smileys inside. It's beautiful. I mean, this is my this will be my tourist backpack. Travel backpack. I will go visit the comic conventions with this backpack. So thank you, my dear friend. You know who you are. Nigar, you know who you are. Thank you so much. So I'll put the bag here, and I'll get into the unboxing this box from the Labs Comic Fan. Check this out. It's Batman based box. There are several things inside, and as I was prepping for this video, because I'm having a very hangover day, I realized that I don't own a DC mark. So this is a Targaryen Dynasty mark. And I'm just loving the show. I'm loving the show so much. All right, this probably got opened in the customs, and this is like a, I know some of the things inside, but it's all gonna be surprise, a big surprise. So I'll try to show you what you guys what he sent me. Please sub to the guy, sub to the man. He's such a star, such a great friend, and he has a great knowledge. He's all about Batman, and we are planning to make a live stream with him anytime soon. Okay, first things first. I'm really loving this mug. I'm so sorry. And a hardcover, 100 greatest moments of Batman. Check this out. It's beautiful. Okay, the shades are out. I'm sorry. I gotta enjoy this. It's so good, so beautiful. We'll go to my hardcover library. This is such a big therapy, such a great thing, such a... He mentioned something like this, a DC. I think this got damaged in the mail. I don't know. They unboxed this in the customs. If it has, I'll try to find a way to fix it, but still good. Damn. What's this? Oh, he put some extra books here. Okay. Oh. I don't know if these were the part of the giveaway. There's a huge Avengers time runs out run. So volume 1 is a hardcover, and this is volume 1, volume 2. I gotta move. Volume 2. This is volume 3. Time runs out. I never read these, by the way. And volume 4. I think he was mentioning like he got the whole omnibus, or like the whole big deluxe edition of the series, so he gifted these to me. These will get read, and I will read these anytime soon. Oh, there's a note in here. All right. But besides that, here's a beautiful the Batman movie, Matt Reeves, Robert Pattinson Batman movie shirt, and it's size L, size large, but I'll definitely get into it. You will see me wearing this one in one of my upcoming videos, hopefully. Let me read this. What he says. Hakan, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you for doing so. I sent you a Labs Comic Fan t-shirt, probably too small, but that's the only one in existence. Thanks again, Labs Comic Fan. I'm not gonna mention his name. I don't know if he does in his videos. Oh, this I'm particularly proud of. Batman New 52, the first volume of the Court of Owls, volume 1. And Batman and Robin, volume 1, Born to Kill. I got so many Batman stuff to read. I can't believe this. And the complete Batman animated series in box set, in 2 DVDs. Okay, I'll move this here. Alright. They try to open the box, so that's why. Oh, there's a Batman figure, 3.75 Batman figure. He mentioned about this. This will go onto my comic wall. Beautiful. And some singles. Oh. So this is the shirt. No, this is not too small for me at all. This is not too small for me at all. You'll see it. It looks good. Labs Comic Fan. Labs Comic Fan. Beautiful. And also the beautiful Batman The Dark Knight Returns, the Mask box set. So there is a black label 30th anniversary, if I'm not mistaken, inside. And Batman mask still sealed. And some of the singles. This is Detective Comics 1000. I think this is the Jim Lee cover. Batman Outsiders, number 1. There you go. Back from the Dead, The Adventures of Superman. Oh, that's a good one. That's a reprint, if I'm not mistaken. Batman issue 13, Death of the Family. And this is like, these are still in the bag. He mentioned them, the new Teen Titans. The new Teen Titans, number 22. Still poly bag, you see. I don't know the artist of the. Yeah. Such a great, for my DC collection. Yeah, the video reached to its maximum storage space. So yeah. And I think I'm gonna unbox this as well. I wanna unbox it. I always, I was seeing this in my local comic shops here. Oh, the mask. Okay. Okay. So here's the mask. Looks good. Looks very good. I'm gonna put it somewhere in my comic. And here is the Batman, the Deluxe Dark Knight Returns Deluxe Edition. '30th anniversary edition, like I said. And it's a little bit damaged here, but I'm gonna press it, no problem. This is gonna be an awesome read. I never read this. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm such a terrible DC fan. I love DC, but I'm a terrible DC fan. And I'm really sorry about this one. The custom guy sucks. I hate it. I can't trust them. I got so many books in US, in States, waiting for me to get shipped, but because of these, problems like these, I'm avoiding it. But by the way, it's such a nice DC logo, and I'll definitely find a way for this. So thank you so much once again. Thanks for watching, guys. I've been away for a very long time. I will be very surprised if anybody watched this is going to watch this video, except friends and family, of course. But thanks for watching, and some great news ahead. Hopefully, some better times ahead. I'll definitely let you know. And thank you, Labs Comic fan. I got your address. I'll definitely send something else. Thanks for watching. Cheers.